In this video, we are going to see the transistor-based application circuits. So in specific, we are going to see the common emitter configuration. So this common emitter type is used as amplifier. So the aim of this experiment is to observe the input-output waveforms of common emitter amplifier and to measure the gain of the amplifier at different frequencies and to plot the frequency response. So the apparatus required for conducting this experiment were transistor, resistor, function generator, capacitor, CRO and RPS. So as I said to you previously, common emitter amplifier is to amplify the weak signals. So now let us see how to conduct this experiment. For this, let me show you the circuit diagram. So this is what the circuit diagram for common emitter amplifier. So here we are having a function generator. So the purpose of this function generator is to provide input waveform to the circuit, that is input signal to the circuit. So with this input signal we are going to get the output. So the amplified signal which has been displayed in the CRO. So this will generate a waveform at a particular frequency and voltage. So this is being given to this CE type amplifier type circuit, and it is being amplified and the output waveform is seen through the CRO. So this is what the transistor, that is C common emitter configuration type transistor, and here we are providing input supply by means of using the RPS, and here we are having a resistor and capacitors in the circuit. Now let me explain you the procedure for conducting this experiment. So the procedure for conducting this experiment is give the connections as per the circuit diagram. Then in function generator, you are going to generate a waveform with the input voltage 10 millivolt and frequency 100 Hz. So this waveform will be the input to the circuit. So you are going to amplify this signal. So next, connect the CRO at the output of the amplifier circuit. This will show you the amplified signal, so which is given by means of using the function generator. So you have to observe the amplified signal and you have to measure the output voltage so that we can see how much it is being amplified. So after that, what you have to do is you have to increase the frequency from the function generator and you have to repeat the above step. That is, for different frequencies you have to you have to provide input and you have to note down the amplified output. So this should have to be noted in the tabular column, that is the amplified output voltage has to be noted in the tabular column, and the frequency which we have set as input should also have to be noted in the tabular column. Again, you have to calculate the voltage gain for different frequencies and gain. Then you have to plot the frequency response. This is the way you have to conduct the experiment for CE amplifier. So now let me show you the tabular column. So this is the tabular column for this circuit. So first you have to note down the frequency of the input which is being provided, that is the input waveforms frequency, and then the output voltage. This should have to be taken from the CRO. You have to measure this output voltage for that particular frequency using the CRO. Then you have to calculate the gain. So the formula for gain is V0 divided by N, that is output voltage divided by input voltage. So next, gain in dB is 20 log. You have to use this formula to calculate the gain in dB. So in this way, you have to conduct the experiment for the transistor based application circuit, especially common emitter configuration type, that is the amplifier circuit. So that's all with the experiment. Thank you.